Multiply 28 by 67 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 7. 7 times 8 is 56. Put 6 in this column and carry 5. 7 times 2 plus the carried 5 is 19. The first partial product is 196. Now use the tens digit, 6. Start one place to the left. 6 times 8 is 48. Put 8 in this column and carry 4. 6 times 2 plus the carried 4 is 16. The second partial product is 1680. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 6 plus 0 is 6. In the tens column, 9 plus 8 is 17. Put 7 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 1 plus 6 plus the carried 1 is 8. In the thousands column, bring down 1. The product of the whole numbers is 1876. So 28 times 67 is 1876.